Welcome to another lecture of Master Computer Vision in OpenCV with Python. In this lecture, we will learn feature detection using oriented fast and rotated brief algorithm in OpenCV with Python. What is a feature in an image? A feature can be described as a small patch in the image, which is invariant to image scaling, rotation, and illumination. This way, the same feature can be detected from different images of the same scene with different perspectives. Therefore, a good feature should be the following properties. Okay, number 1, repeatable and precise. It means the same feature should be extracted from different images of the same object. Number 2, distinctive to the image. It means images with different structures will not have this feature. Okay. Now we start our code. Import required libraries. Our first library is computer vision library, which is called CV2. So we import CV2 and then we import NumPy library and then we import matplot library. Okay, run the cell. In the next cell, we load our original image whose features are needed to be detected. Okay, use imRead function of OpenCV to read the image file from my local drive D. Okay, and then display original image. Run the cell and see the result. This is our original image or input image whose features are to be detected. Okay, actually features are the interested areas inside an image. Okay, so the first point is to create the ORB detector. ORB is an algorithm which is used to detect features from an image. Okay, ORB take a inject variable ORB and create an object of class ORB underscore create. Okay, and this one. The next step is to detect the key points in the loaded image. Okay, take a variable key points and call the detect function of ORB underscore create class. Okay, and pass our original image or empty image and then run the cell. Okay. Once the key points are detected, the next step is to compute the descriptors of the detected key points. What are descriptors? Actually, descriptors are the information related to key points of an image. Okay, we use compute method of ORB underscore create class to compute the descriptor of the detected key points. Okay, run the cell. Finally, we can draw the detected key points using the draw key point function of the OpenCV. Take a variable. Actually, this is an image underscore key points. Call draw key points function of CV2 and pass first parameter is image and second parameter key points, which are extracted in the above line. Okay. The third parameter is none and the fourth parameter is the color of key points. When this parameter is none, then flag is equal to 0. Actually, this parameter output array of our image. So if this parameter is none, then flag is equal to 0. Okay, run the cell. These lines of code display input image and these lines of code display image with detected feature. Okay, run the cell and see the result. This is our input image and this is our image with detected features. You can clearly see that these points or small circles are the features or an important areas of our original or input image. These points are also features of an image. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.